Hey Tech Trends fam, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Windows customization. We're going beyond basic themes and backgrounds, exploring tools and techniques to truly make Windows your own. If you're tired of the default look, get ready to transform your PC. Let's start with the built-in personalization settings. You know you can change your background, but did you know you can create custom themes? Head to Settings, then Personalization. Here, you can tweak everything from colors and sounds to mouse cursors. Don't settle for the default color scheme. Explore the Colors tab and create a palette that fits your style. You can also download themes from the Microsoft Store, adding custom visuals and sounds with just a few clicks. Remember, consistency is key. Choose a theme that aligns with your overall aesthetic. Now, let's get serious. Windows built-in options are great, but third-party tools can take customization to the next level. First up, Rainmeter. This powerful tool lets you add customizable widgets to your desktop, from system monitors to stylish clocks and weather displays. It's highly customizable, so you can tailor it to your exact needs. Next, if you're not a fan of the default Start menu, check out Start 11. It allows you to completely redesign your Start menu, bringing back classic layouts or creating something entirely new. And for window styling, Startup Curtains lets you apply custom styles to your windows, changing their appearance and adding unique effects. These tools offer unparalleled control over your Windows experience. Icons and fonts play a crucial role in the overall look of your system. You can easily change icons by downloading custom icon packs. There are countless free and paid options available online. Just search for Windows Icon Packs and find one that suits your style. For fonts, Windows allows you to install custom fonts. Download your favorite fonts and install them by right-clicking and selecting Install. You can then change the system font in the personalization settings. Remember, choose fonts that are both stylish and legible. Let's dive into some advanced tweaks. You can customize the taskbar by right-clicking and selecting Taskbar Settings. Here, you can hide the taskbar, move it to different sides of the screen, or change its size. For the Start menu, you can create custom layouts by pinning and unpinning apps. For the adventurous, you can even use registry tweaks to unlock hidden customization options. But be warned, editing the registry can be risky, so proceed with caution and always back up your system first. And that's it for our deep dive into Windows customization. We've explored advanced personalization settings, powerful third-party tools, and even some registry tweaks. Remember, customization is all about expressing your personal style and creating a workspace that inspires you. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. In our next episode, we'll be covering system settings. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
It's with the snow that's all I